Hi everyone, my name is Joshua Johnson. I'm at Wisconsin Lutheran College in the Instructional Design Center, and welcome to the very first Canvas tutorial where we will direct you to finding your courses. Now, while the instructions for specific courses are for Wisconsin Lutheran College faculty, this could be helpful for anyone that is using Canvas. So let's take a look. For Wisconsin Lutheran College faculty, you're going to find the Canvas LMS by going to My WLC. You'll find the Canvas option right there on the left-hand side. It is wlc.instructure.com. And once you've logged in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Now, your dashboard of courses is going to be completely controllable by you. You can decide what courses appear on your dashboard and what courses don't. As an example, next to the dashboard, or right underneath it on my green navigation bar, is the courses option. If I click on that, I will see the courses that are currently on my dashboard, both published and unpublished, as well as a link to go to the All Courses option. In the All Courses option, you are going to find a lot more courses than what are on your dashboard typically. You will see on the left-hand side the little gold stars, and some of them that are not starred. Anything that is marked with a gold star is actually on my dashboard. Anything that is not won't be found there. The other thing you're going to see is a nickname that you could give the course, as well as the term that the course is part of. At Wisconsin Lutheran College, any of the current terms and future terms will be marked, and you'll see like the 21-22 summer term, the 22-23 fall term, as well as something that is a sandbox or possibly even a manually created course. Typically, if you create a sandbox, it's going to have a sandbox term, which is always open so that you can go in and edit it. Any courses that are under the past enrollments, these are courses that used to be running and are no longer editable by the teacher. So if you want to use material from those courses, you can definitely copy them, but you cannot go back and edit these courses. For us, you will see a specific term that is called the pre-Canvas term. These are courses that were loaded from our former LMSs and are brought into Canvas. These are the only courses that probably have anything inside of them at the moment. For WLC faculty, you'll notice the 21-22 spring term. These were just part of our integration testing. These courses do not really have anything loaded in there. Hopefully they will be removed in a future update. But for right now, these are just empty courses that were allowing us to test whether or not the integration was working. So, once again, if you want something to show up on your dashboard, give it a gold star. When you go back to your dashboard, that course will now appear on that dashboard. Probably have to refresh my dashboard in order for that to happen. Remember that courses that are going to contain students are created by the student information system on our campus, that is Jenzabar. So when the registrar creates a course, that course will automatically show up here as soon as you are listed as the instructor, and provided it happens in the next 180 days. So hopefully that helps you find some of the courses that you are looking for. Stay tuned for some of the next videos, which will include copying courses, as well as importing templates and updating your course using a Wisconsin Lutheran College template.